Welcome back to Calmwood Kids, and today we are going to unbox another Tokyo Treat box. Can I open it up?
No, it's this one.
Oh,
The wrong side.
Oopsie.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
whoa!
What the? What? Oh, another
Kit Kats. Always Kit Kats.
Kit Kat, Kit Kat, Kit
Oh,
Kat.
what are these?
Wow, pumpkin.
I've had these before. These are. Hey, Eva, remember these?
Oh yeah, I remember them in.
Yeah, I can't wait to taste out these ones.
And I've got this.
Okay.
Oh, that's actually pretty cold.
I might read them out now.
Oh, I remember these. I had these for my birthday.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's so good.
Time to read it. So, Osaka Snackation. Osaka Snackation. Don't know what that means. Okay. Okay, the first one is chocolate bread bites.
Chocolate bird butt. Yummy.
Bakery bread. Okay. Now, this is retro corn puffs.
This
And these are potato fry snacks.
this one.
What's that? Right, that is takoyaki flavored snack mix.
This one. Oh,
These are Osaka takoyaki senbei, which senbei is like
Biscuit.
a biscuit, yeah. Okay. And this is
Kit
the
Kat.
Kit Kat chocolate orange.
Weird taste.
Yeah, that seems actually pretty good.
Next
Chocolate
one.
orange. Oh, that's a good one.
Where's my popcorn?
The popcorn is here. This is Mike's popcorn Yoon flavor. Or is it Mickey? I don't know.
He's really good at reading, but
Okay, these are. Okay, so
these.
okonomiyaki senbei. I told you what senbei meant before, right? This is a tonkotsu style vegetarian ramen. This is Osaka Delaware grape gummies.
Oh, I really want to eat that. Next one.
Now these are peach pastels. Okay, and I'm showing this one. These are Lifeguard soft candy. Tastes a bit like pineapple to me.
Yeah, we've had that one before and it's so good. Comment down below if you ever tried something
It doesn't
cool.
say in the book
Everyone
what
should
fla-
try something
what
cool.
flavor it is. Okay, now this is a Banana Man marshmallow. Okay, is there anything else?
Anything else?
I
I don't think we've done this one.
Oh, and here's some pictures.
No, we haven't done this one.
Oh yeah,
That one's on.
I don't.
It's on this.
Oh man, I forgot it.
It's on this. I know which page it is on. It's on this.
Oh, we forgot two. Oh, that's a Kobe melon soda.
And
This
here
is a melon panda cookie.
Wow.
Do you see this picture on the back here? Me and my family went here in Japan. It's a big tunnel of gateways.
Oh yeah,
Cool.
we have.
That all?
And yeah.
That's all.
Okay. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, and make sure to like and subscribe this video. See you next time.
Orange